So welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be juicing today. I think we're doing like 3 juices. So I happen to find a seeded watermelon at the market. So we're gonna juice this watermelon and we're gonna juice it with some mint. And then I also have my fruit and vegetables in the sink. So of course we're gonna do a green juice as normal. I do a green juice every week. We are going to do, let me see. Oh, let me show y'all what else I got. Yep, we got us a honeydew melon. So I got me a honeydew melon with some kiwi. So I figured this could be like another green juice. So I just really want to see how it's going to taste. I am still going to add some spinach to it, just like to give it a little veggie. When I make my juices, I like to add a veggie in it instead of it just being straight fruit. I like to have that balance. So we are going to do watermelon first because it is the messiest. Yeah. All right. And then I know my husband's probably going to want one of these before he goes to work because he loves watermelon juice. It's easier to juice one juice at a time, especially when you're doing multiple juices on the same day. One at a time, focus on one, get that done, get that bottled up, and then move to your next. Otherwise, if you're trying to do it all at once, you're going to have like 50, 11 bottles everywhere. You're going to have a whole bunch of mess everywhere. So I'm going to do watermelon first. this is our last watermelon juice right here. Y'all, watermelon juice is time consuming. The juice itself. And it makes such a huge mess. Alright, that is the last of our watermelon juice. And now we are on to our next. Should be honeydew melon, kiwi, spinach. Should I put the ginger in there? Ginger. We're gonna go ahead and go ginger. So I got a little extra piece here. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's actually cut up our kiwis first. This is what I juice on a weekly. We got some kale, celery, apples, lemon, ginger, and cucumber. I juice this almost every week, unless I miss a week. But other than that, this is my go-to green juice. But we're gonna taste that honeydew melon, and we're gonna see if the honeydew melon is gonna be the one, you know. All right, so let's go ahead and put our mix in.
You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
I also forgot, normally I do like spinach. I have kale, but normally I do spinach as well. But this is about to go old. This is my baby field mix, which has spinach in it. So I'm gonna just put that in there. This is our last batch of the green juice, y'all. I don't know which one worse, the green juice or the watermelon juice. I think the green juice, I just make so much of it to it just feel like, ugh. But y'all, we literally have one more juice to do. It's gonna be a strawberry lemonade, so make sure y'all sit tight for that. Green juice complete, finally. We're gonna finish making our strawberry lemonade. It is done juicing. So I got a lemon that I am going to put inside of the lemonade. Just get that chopped up into slices. We're gonna take our pitcher. We're gonna pour our strawberry juice inside of here. And it is a little thick, y'all. I did not know it was going to be that thick. But thankfully, I have some coconut water. Let's mix that up. All right, and I'm going to drop my lemons in here. And we're going to get us a cup to see if we need to add any honey to it. Let's go ahead and pour our strawberry juice in. It is definitely thick, on the thicker side. Alright, let's taste it and see. No honey needed. No honey needed. I'm assuming the coconut water gives it sweetness, but definitely no honey is needed. Now, you're going to add honey instead of coconut water if you batch a whole bunch of strawberries, because I only batch 2 of the big packs of the strawberries, and this is all I got. So if you do like 5 or 6 packs and you want to add honey instead of coconut water, I think that would be perfect. This will be good next time, y'all. I'm going to add the mint. That mint is going to take it up a notch. But that's good. Y'all, we did our big one today. Like, look at all this we juice, plus strawberry lemonade. So this is everything that we got out of our juices. Out of the honeydew melon with the kiwi, we only got these 2 out of there. We gonna try these too, y'all. And this is our normal weekly green juice. Y'all know this is our watermelon juice over here. So, and then we got our strawberry lemonade. We already tried that. So let's try the honeydew. The green juice, we don't gotta try. We already know how that tastes. Watermelon with the mint, we gonna give it a try. So let's try our honeydew. Oops. There we go. Have to pop that cap back. That's enough. Dang, bro. Okay. Honeydew, kiwi, spinach. Y'all, that's a 10 out of 10. With the ginger in it. This is a 10 out of 10. I don't know if I'm gonna replace this. I can't replace this right here, y'all, because I just feel like it has so much like juice. So many vegetables are juiced in here, okay? And this right here is so good. It got the right balance of sweetness to it. I didn't know how it was going to do, because to me, honeydew melon is not all that sweet, if you ask me. And then kiwi is not that sweet of a fruit either. It's not that they're not sweet, but they're just not super sweet fruits. So I didn't actually know how those were due, but it got the right balance of sweetness to it. All right, so this is our regular green juice. We got our watermelon. Gotta shake that up a little bit. Watermelon with our mint. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is like our go-to summer juice, Watermelon juice. We drink this all summer. Perfect. And what I love about watermelon, it's so watery. That's so good. Oh my God. Now, the watermelon juice is a 10 out of 10 off rip. We already know that. Now, the strawberry lemonade, y'all. Would I juice strawberries again? Probably in the summer. And I'm probably going to add another fruit to it. Because juicing it by itself is so thick. So I feel like I'm going to add another fruit to it. I don't know what. Pineapple. Strawberry and pineapple. That would be perfect. It might balance it out. It's going to be super sweet though, but it's still going to be nice and refreshing on a hot summer day. Put some ice in it. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you pick one of the new recipes. If you have not tried it, let me just make a small disclaimer, y'all, because people always telling me that juicing strips away fiber. I'm actually cold pressing. Cold press does not use heat like a juicer. That's one thing. Second thing, I'm not juicing for fiber, okay? I'd rather juice than go to the store and buy Ocean Spray juice or Simply lemonades, you know? So we keep these juices on hand, and honestly, I don't really drink a juice every single day. If I do, it's gonna be those. These right here would be like your strawberries and stuff. Those would be more like of your fruit juices, to where, you know, have your little cup or so, whatnot. But I'm not juicing for fiber benefits, sweetie. Like, for real. There's a lot of people that jump in the comments and say, oh, you're fiber, you're stripping the fiber away. I'm not juicing for fiber. I'm juicing because I like the juice. I'm juicing because I don't only have to drink water. God gave us taste buds for a reason, right? Okay. So the alternative to going to the store and buying Ocean Spray or other stuff, just have you some juice on hand when you get thirsty. We know that eating fruit is better because you get more of the nutrients and you get more of the good juice out of there, of course. But when you thirsty, a fruit might quench your thirst a little bit, but ain't nothing like pouring you a glass of juice over some ice, especially on a hot sunny day. So good, baby. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video and take one of these recipes. Let me know which one your favorite. Let me know which one you're gonna try. Let me know what else juicing recipes that you want to see. What I'm trying to do is actually do a new juice every week. This is gonna remain. My green one, it's gonna remain, but I'm gonna try to do a new juice every week. Try something new. Yeah, okay. Anyways, y'all, subscribe to the channel and I'm gonna catch y'all next video.